The Point of Sale tab is a full-featured shopping cart built directly into your portfolio site's admin section, allowing you to sell artwork and even accept credit card processing for your various artworks. You can simply select on the Sell Items tab. You can filter by specific galleries you have set up, or just leave it by the All. You can also search by title or ID. For example, I can type in here, woman, and it will pull up just the artwork called woman. If I want to see the oil paintings gallery, I can easily come into the oil paintings gallery or any other associated gallery. In order to sell an artwork, simply click on the artwork to add it to your shopping cart. So I will select this sample drawing here, and you can see that that sample drawing is now added to my cart. I can optionally add a discount if I want to charge the customer something different than my listed sale price. Simply click the discount button and choose a percent here. I'll say 5% and hit the calculate button, and this will show you the estimated new subtotal. I'll apply that discount, and this is now going to charge that customer $118.75. I can simply then click the Make Payment button and fill in the buyer details. If you have a buyer that regularly purchases from you, they will appear in the existing buyers list right here. I don't have any buyers in this specific portfolio site, so I'll click on the New Buyer. I'm just going to call this the test buyer, and we'll say sales at artcall.org, 555 Street. We'll just say New York here and just fill out a few fake details. Note that they will receive a receipt to the email address that you provide. Now, if you don't have your payment processor set up, you're not allowed to accept credit card payments, and mine is currently not set up. So the only payment types I have are cash, check, or other. If I have my payment processor configured, there would be an additional one in here called credit card, which I can select, and then I can punch in the user's credit card number and directly charge that credit card the amount shown here. For this sample, I'll just go with cash. Let's go ahead and click the Pay 118, and you can see that automatically takes me to the receipt generation. I can easily click the Print Receipt button and print this receipt off for this specific customer, or I can click the Return to Cart. Now that that artwork has been sold, you'll notice that if I come into the gallery again here for the pastels, which is where that artwork used to reside, it's no longer visible here because that artwork is already sold, meaning I can't resell it. If I come into my Point of Sale tab and now go into my sales record, you'll see that there's a new line item in here for this specific artwork. So here is the details. This is the buyer, of course, who bought the artwork. And then I can also come in here and reprint that sales receipt at any time as well. So selling items in the Point of Sale is a very powerful feature, allowing you to sell your artwork and even process credit cards in a secure manner directly within your Point of Sale. Notice now when I come to my artworks page, this sample drawing here that I just sold now has the status of sold. It will also show on the public-facing website as sold as well if I have that as an option to display. So you can see here this sample drawing is now listed as sold. The last feature here is you're able to add custom products. Let's say maybe I run a gallery and I have some additional things that I sell that aren't listed specifically within my ArtCore portfolio site. You can click on the Add Custom Product and you can give this a name. I'm just going to call this a paintbrush, and let's say it's $25. I'll put $5 shipping, and I'll just call this the paintbrush here and click Add Product. Now this custom product is added to my cart, and I can also sell this just like I would anything else. Now notice, because I also have an existing buyer, if I choose the existing buyers drop down, my buyer appears right here and I can automatically select him without having to re-enter all of the details from scratch.